and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. In today's video, we've got a mystery bag unboxing. So this is the Jordana Ticia mystery bag. So I recently picked this up probably about a week or two ago, and inside is a retail of £110, I believe, and I bought this for £26. So it features 8 products. So if you want to see the products that I got inside, then please stay tuned. This is what it came in. How cute is that? So let's unbox this together, shall we? Perfectly packaged there. So I'm just going to pull them all out and see what I've got. The first thing that I've got is a pair of Jordana Ticia lashes. So this is what they look like. These are premium 4D faux mink lashes. They're 100% cruelty free, matte, handmade and reusable. I've not tried her lashes yet, but I've heard good things about them. Let's get into this packaging, shall we? So this is what they look like. They look beautiful. They look beautiful. That's a lash that I would really like. It's winged out on the edge. It's fluttery and it's got a lovely curl to it, and they're quite thick, as in like dense lash. So yeah, this is a lash that I would really like. So I'm really pleased I've got this. Oh yeah, so we've got a base and sparkle, and I actually love the base and sparkles. I've got a few of the neutral ones. So let's see what colour we've got here. So we've got Chill Pill, which is the blue one, which I've yet to try any of her coloured ones. So basically her base and sparkles, so you get a cream base there, and then you just close your lid and undo the pigment. Oh, it's everywhere. And then this is the pigment. So that looks incredible. So I can't wait to do that. A look with that. Oh my god, I've just dropped it everywhere. So we've got 2 compacts here. So we've got a highlighter in the shade Trixie and a blush in the shade Prom Queen. I like the fact that there's variety in this. It's not just, you know, just lip stuff or just lashes or something like that. You've got a thing of each range. So this is, oh, that's nice. So this is the blush shade in Prom Queen. So it's like a pinky peach with like a gold sheen to it, a bit like NARS Orgasm, I feel like, but a bit more pinker. Let's give this a swatch, shall we? Oh, that looks stunning. You know what? That is really pretty. I've got mixed reviews on Jordana's blush, to be fair. Oh, that is really nice. I don't know if you can really see that on camera, because I did have one of her blushes, Fruit Punch maybe, I can't remember, but basically it was so hardly pressed there was just no pigment to it, so it ended up just being in there, because I had to try and scrape off the product to see if that would work, but it didn't. So I ended up being in it, and I did put a review on her website because it kept emailing me about it, and I said, and she did offer to for me to message them and to get a new one sent out, but hadn't bothered. The highlighter, which I'm excited to try, so I've not actually tried the highlighters. So this is what that shade looks like. It's a little bit too dark for my complexion, however when I do clients, this will be a good one to use. Oh, that is beautiful. And I could even use it on the eyes. Yeah, you can see the cast, so that's why I know that it's too dark for me. But yeah, that looks like a beautiful, and it looks like a really nice formula as well. It feels really lovely. Yeah, I'm going to keep that for when I do clients. And then we've actually got 4 lip products. So yeah, I haven't brought a lip gloss from her in ages. Oh, I've got Mocha. I really wanted that gloss. So Mocha, Bonbon, Serendipity, I can't say it, and Smooch. So let's give these a swap. So first shade we've got here is Bonbon. So this looks like it'll be a pinky shade. So let's get this out. Oh, this looks like a beautiful shade. So this is what a Bonbon looks like. So let's give this a swap. I do love the formula of her glosses. They're so pigmented. And that's Bonbon. And then we've got Mocha. So this is the one that I had my eye on, that I've been wanting to get for ages. And it's a beautiful like brownie nude shade, which is right up my alley. Oh, that is stunning. Look at the shine on them as well. They're so stunning. That is, and they smell quite sweet as well. It's quite like fruity sweet. Next one we've got is Smooch. Oh, that's a beautiful nude shade. Loving these shades. This shade selection is probably the best from a mystery bag I've ever got. So there's Smooch, which is a really nice like peachy nude shade, so that'll go lovely on the centre of your lips. And then we've got one more, so we've got Serendipity, I can't say it, but again, so this is more of a natural pinky nude, if that makes sense, compared to Bonbon. Oh, that is stunning. So that is the shades there. They are gorgeous. I'm actually so chuffed about that because you know, because on the ends of here you've got like the colour. Oh, I can hear Connor shouting at the football, and it looks like a quite a baby pink, like a bright kind of pink, and then for it to actually be like a nice muted nudie pink. Oh, beautiful. So that is everything that I got in this mystery bag. So let's just recap. We've got a pair of lashes which look stunning. We've got a iconic Base and Sparkle in the shade Chill Pill. We've got a blusher, a highlighter, and we've got 4 gorgeous lip glosses, which I absolutely love the formula of these lip glosses anyway. So overall, I am dead chuffed with this. If she done a mystery bag again, I would 100% recommend buying it. I do actually really like her products. I'm excited to give her blush another go. But yeah, absolutely ecstatic with this mystery bag. I can't believe it was only £26. Like, that is so good. Yeah, amazing products. So I definitely recommend it. And if you haven't tried Jordana Ticia yet, or you really want to, then definitely keep an eye out, because this is a great way to test the brand out without having to spend loads of money. So yeah, so let me know down below what you think of these products and this mystery bag. Have you tried Jordana Ticia before? Like I said, she's a really good makeup artist as well as a makeup brand owner. So yeah, definitely get to know if you haven't already. I know that she's loved by a lot of other makeup artists, like using her products and stuff like that. Definitely want to get the bronzer duo as well. That looks really good. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe as well. And hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!